Students, now in this session we'll do sum number 2 of exercise 7.2 chapter integers. Fine. So in question number 2 we have express the following as mixed fraction. So the first number is given 20 by 3. Okay. So 20 by 3 is what type of fraction, students? It is improper fraction. Improper fraction. Okay, and we know that in improper fraction the numerator is greater than the denominator. So numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay, so now let's begin how to convert this particular fraction, this fraction, to a mixed fraction. Very easy, students. So you just have to divide. So what is the closest number that we can bring to number 20? That is 3 6 are 18. So 18 is the closest number to 20. So when we subtract, we'll get answer as. Now how to write the mixed fraction form? So to write the mixed fraction form, this is the order that you have to maintain. That is quotient. Then you have to write here remainder, and then here divisor. Fine, divisor. So this is divisor, this is your quotient, this is your remainder. Fine. So let's write. So quotient is what? 6. So we'll write 6. And what is remainder? 2. And what is divisor? What is divisor here? 3. So this is your required mixed fraction. So we write mixed fraction equals to 6 2 by 3. Okay. Now let's move on to sum number B. So sum number B, we have 11 by 5. So 11 divided by 5 would be 5 2s are 10. So 10 is the closest number to 11. So the difference is 1. So the required mixed fraction would be what? Required mixed fraction would be what? Quotient, remainder, divisor. So this is the required mixed fraction, boys. That is 2 1 upon 5. Fine. Or you can say 2 whole 1 by 5. Now let's move on to sum number C. 17 by 7. So we have to divide 17 by 7. So 7 2s are 14. So what is the difference? 7 minus 4 would be 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. So our required mixed fraction would be 2 3 by 2 3 by 7. Yes. Okay. Now let's move on to sum number D. So sum number D, we have 28 by 5. So let us divide this. 5 5s are 25. 3. So the required mixed fraction is 5 3 by. Okay, now let's move on to sum number DE, students. So question number E is 19 by 6. So let's divide this. 6 3s are 18. The difference would be 1. So your required mixed fraction would be 3 1 upon 6. Okay, so this is your solution of sum number E. Now let's move on to the last sum of question number 2. That is F. So sum number F, we have 35 upon 9. So 35 upon 9 is, what is the closest number? That is 9 3s are 27, as 9 4s are 36. So 27 is the right number we can put here, and the difference would be 8. Fine. So what is the required fraction then? 3 8 by 9. Fine. 3 8 upon 9. Okay, now that's it for today's session, students. God bless you all. Take care and stay blessed.